Tamong Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, Car Vacuum Cleaner, Powerful Cleaning Lightweight 2 inches 1 handheld vacuum with rechargeable lithium-ion battery and LED brush. 1. Crevice Tool, suitable to dust cleaning vehicle door, seat and ashtray and all king of nooks and crannies. 2. Connector, connect suction nozzles, hose is necessary, please keep properly, the accessory 3, 4, 5 require to fit connector to use. 3. Brush Tool, with suction and wipe dual function, suitable to dust cleaning a versatile suede section of cushion, feet pad and outlet of aircon.